What's up everyone? Today, I'm about to show you exactly how to make your first dollars in affiliate marketing in 2025 using Pinterest and Viator. This is a step-by-step guide perfect for beginners who want to make money by promoting travel destinations. All links, resources, and tools I mentioned today are in the description below, so check those out if you need any extra help along the way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick a profitable travel niche. Set up a Pinterest page and design it for maximum clicks. Create and promote pins with AI tools. Set up and optimize your Viator affiliate account to earn commissions. Stick around and let's dive into it. Step 1. Find a profitable niche with Perplexity AI. Alright, first things first, we need to pick a travel niche. To find a niche with strong search volume and low competition, we're using Perplexity AI. Here are the exact questions you'll ask to get started. What are the most searched and related travel destinations on Pinterest in 2024? What is the average tourist spending per day in top trending destinations? Perplexity will give you an answer with high-demand travel trends and average spending rates like luxury safari lodges, adventure tourism, and tranquil escapes. These insights can help you choose 5 to 7 destinations that will be attractive to your audience. Examples might be luxury safari lodges in Tanzania, adventure tourism in the Amazon rainforest, wellness retreats in Okinawa, Japan, hidden historical spots like Machu Picchu, quiet life destinations like the English countryside. Once you have your chosen destinations, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Set up your Pinterest page. Now that we've got our niche, it's time to create your Pinterest page. Here's how to set up a page optimized for travel and affiliate marketing. Create a business account at business.pinterest.com. Choose a name that includes keywords like epic travel escapes or global adventure guides. Design a logo and banner that reflects your brand. Canva is perfect for this. Stick to colors that feel like travel or adventure. Write a clear and engaging description that explains what your page is about. Be sure to include keywords like travel, adventure, or wellness escapes. Save the link for validation because you'll use this profile to link back to Viator and track conversions. Step 3. Create boards for each destination. To keep your Pinterest page organized and focused, create one board for each destination you selected. Name each board with specific keywords related to your niche, like luxury safari experiences in Tanzania, adventure in the Amazon rainforest, quiet retreats in Okinawa. Each board should have a mix of your affiliate pins and other relevant content, making it valuable and trustworthy for users. Step 4. Set up a Viator affiliate account. Now it's time to create a Viator affiliate account to start earning those commissions. Here's how to get set up. Go to Viator.com and sign up for an affiliate account. Get your affiliate link for the main Viator website, as well as specific links for each destination you're promoting. Save these links, they'll go into your Pinterest boards and pins. By using different links for each destination, you can track the performance of each campaign and see which ones are converting best. Step 5. Add affiliate links to Pinterest boards and pins. Now go back to your Pinterest boards and add your affiliate links. Add your main Viator affiliate link to your Pinterest page under your bio. For each board, add the affiliate links to each pin related to that destination. Make sure each pin has a clear call to action, like book now or learn more, to encourage clicks. Step 6. Generate image prompts with ChatGPT. For each destination, use ChatGPT to create specific prompts for generating AI images. Here's an example prompt for a destination like Bali. Create a Pinterest pin image for a luxury safari in Tanzania. Include a dramatic sunset, animal silhouettes, and vibrant colors that evoke adventure and exclusivity. With ChatGPT, you can generate multiple prompts for different styles or aspects of each destination. Step 7. Create Pinterest pins with Kling AI. Now, it's time to bring those images to life using Kling AI. Here's how to create engaging, scroll-stopping images for Pinterest. Open Kling AI, paste the prompt from ChatGPT into Kling AI to generate your travel-themed images. Select the images that best capture the vibe of each destination and download them for the next step. Step 8. Polish images in Canva. To make your images Pinterest perfect, upload them to Canva and follow these steps. Choose the Pinterest template 1000 by 1500 pixels. Import the images you created in Kling AI. Add elements like a bold headline at the top, a subheading with an emotional appeal, for example. Explore hidden gems in Bali, and a call to action button. Book now. Include your branding elements like a small logo or watermark to keep everything consistent. Pro tip: save these designs as templates in Canva so you can quickly make new pins for future campaigns. Step 9. SEO-optimized titles and descriptions with ChatGPT. Here's where we make sure your pins get seen. Use ChatGPT to write SEO-optimized titles and descriptions for each pin. Type into ChatGPT, "You're a Pinterest SEO expert." Create 5 pin titles and descriptions for a specific destination that include high-volume Pinterest keywords, trigger emotional responses, and create urgency. Example result: title, 10 hidden gems in Bali that rich tourists never find. Description: discover secret waterfalls, ancient temples, and exclusive beach clubs in Bali that most tourists miss. Our insider guide reveals the best photogenic spots and must-visit locations. Perfect for adventure seekers and photography lovers. This way, your pins are optimized to rank higher and attract clicks. Step 10. Test, optimize, and scale. Now it's time to find out what works best. Here's a simple way to test and optimize. Create 3 versions of each pin with slight variations, different headlines, image styles, or calls to action. Track which pins get the most clicks, saves, and conversions. Double down on the designs that perform best. Reuse those styles and keep testing new variations. Step 11. Automate your workflow. To save time and keep a steady flow of content, use this simple workflow. Batch create 20 images in Kling AI. Batch edit in Canva using your pre-made templates. Generate all your titles and descriptions at once with ChatGPT. Schedule posts a week in advance to keep traffic consistent. With this setup, you're producing high-quality, SEO-optimized pins without spending hours every day. Step 12. Consistent posting and scaling up. Now that you've got a smooth, automated workflow, keep posting consistently and scaling your reach. You'll see results grow as your audience engages with your content. Once you're seeing good performance, consider promoting your best pins through Pinterest ads to scale even further. And that's it, guys. You're now ready to start making real money with Pinterest and Viator in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Drop a comment with your favorite travel destination, and I'll help you brainstorm niche ideas. And remember, all the links, resources, and tools are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make that money together.